Good morning, YouTube. I just wanted to come really quickly before I go to work to show you the Jace Beauty hair. This is my 2 month, a little over 2 months right now. But I just crimped the hair. So I used one of those big, like the deep crimpers, and I just wanted to show you what it looks like with the crimped. I really like how it turned out. I think it's really cute. And I used the bio silk on the hair, which is why it looks sheeny. But I really love bio silk. I cannot stress that enough, because I can really see a difference when I don't use it as opposed to when I do use it. So definitely, if you have hair, like I've said before, you need some bio silk on it. But I just wanted to come on really quick and show you what the crimped waves look like. And as always with the Jace Beauty hair, there's no tangling anywhere ever at all. Okay? Alright, thanks.